How to create a leak repair work order. Select the options menu in the upper right hand corner. Then select Browse. And after that we're going to select Work Order. Now we're creating a new work order, so we select the plus sign. We'll scroll through the types until we come to Leak Survey. It's already been given a work order number, but we're going to write over that with the Leak Repair 1 will be the name of the work order. Save that. Now we need to write up what we're going to do in the summary, and we're going to repair the leak between H114 and H115. Now, since this is a leak repair, we've taken a screenshot of the correlation, and we're going to import that screenshot from the camera roll. Once we've imported the screenshot, we'll be able to see where the leak is believed to be. 227 feet from H115, 231 from H114. Now we're going to schedule it. It's high priority, so we're going to bring somebody in on Saturday. Then we're going to assign it to John Smith. Now, since we've identified assets, we're going to connect those assets to the work order. H114 and H115. Add those two. Done. Now we've got all the information in there, and we can review the activities, the progress of the work order being done, just by coming at the work order and looking at the review activities. Get out of there. John Smith comes in. First thing he does is he gets to the asset that he's going to be working with, H114. Okay, he sees the work orders there. It's the Leak Repair 1. Reviews that. He'll pull up the screenshot showing him where the leak is supposed to be. Now I can go back to the asset screen, look at the activities, add an activity. He's going to do a leak repair, so he selects leak. Now he can start adding information in there. First of all, he's going to dig it up and find it. Then once he finds it, he can say what type of leak it is. Say it's a crack in a pipe, then he can estimate it at 25 gallons per minute. He can put his repair date in there when he's done, take photographs as he wants. He can also, once he's finished, email a report out so that everybody can see that it's done. And he can also close the work order at that location before he ever leaves. And it's all completed.